Hey everyone, welcome back. A good pair of binoculars can completely transform your outdoor experiences. I've tested dozens of models, evaluating optical clarity, low-light performance, focus, comfort, build quality, and value. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 binoculars, from budget-friendly picks to premium models with stunning image quality. Let's get into it. Starting at number 10, the Zeiss Terra ED8x42. These binoculars deliver a premium viewing experience with shot ED glass and 88% light transmission for sharp, vivid images in almost any lighting condition. The Zeiss T-Star coating also improves contrast and clarity, especially in low light. They're compact, lightweight, and extremely durable, with a waterproof glass fiber reinforced body. The large focus wheel makes quick adjustments easy, and they come with a hard case and comfortable strap. The main downside is the price, which is higher than most models we tested, and the deeply grooved focus wheel can sometimes cause over-adjusting. But if you want premium optics and rugged build quality, the Zeiss Terra ED8x42 is a fantastic option. At number 9, we've got the Knox Provisions Standard Issue 10x25 waterproof. The smallest binoculars from Knox were too tiny for my liking, but they'd be a wise choice for anyone buying them for a child. Knox Provisions Standard Issue is smaller than everything else I originally tested. I didn't get enough eye relief with them when wearing glasses, resulting in a super small view. The eye cups also turn freely instead of locking into preset adjustments. Scratch-proof, fog-proof, and fully waterproof, these rugged binoculars are designed to go anywhere to provide bright, crisp views for birdwatching, stargazing, hiking, camping, wildlife viewing, and traveling. The patented ergonomic rugged wave grip design ensures no slip in the palm, a comfortable feel in hand, and impact-resistant housing to protect the optical system. It's at number 9 because at just 11.85 ounces, they're extremely lightweight and pocketable. At number 8, we have the Nikon ProStaff P7 8x42. The ProStaff P7 features full-size 42mm front objectives that gather maximum light for a spectacular view. These premium binoculars gather more light across their wide field of view, 377 feet at 1,000 yards, which makes it easier to locate and track subjects, which appear 8 times closer, even in fading light. Featuring Nikon's advanced multi-layer optical coating, these field binoculars produce bright, vivid, and crystal-clear images that elevate every outdoor viewing experience. The lightweight body combines a strong fiberglass-reinforced polycarbonate body with a shock-resistant rubber armor for secure, non-slip handling. Waterproof and fog-proof, these nature-viewing binoculars deliver dependable performance through rain, snow, and rapid temperature shifts. It's at number 8 because it's an exceptional entry-level option at an affordable price. Coming in at number 7 is the Athlon Optics Midas G2 UHD 8x42. With performance nearly on par with my top pick, these are great binoculars for anyone upgrading from a cheaper pair. I don't have many gripes with the Athlon Midas G2. Nearly identical in size to the Nikon Monarch M5, this sturdy pair of bins provides a crisp, bright image. These ultra-high-definition binoculars have exceptional edge-to-edge clarity, sharp detail enhancement, ultra-clear brightness, and true color representation. Athlon Optics Midas provides ED glass for a sharper image, an edge-to-edge system for image clarity, and an ESP dielectric coating for accurate color reproduction. The magnesium chassis is as tough as a metal chassis but more lightweight. The tough XPL lens coating prevents scratches and dirt buildup. You can use these binoculars for hunting, birdwatching, stargazing, or as travel accessories. It's at number 7 because of ultra-high definition with exceptional edge-to-edge clarity. At number 6, the Knox Provisions Field Issue 8x32. These compact binoculars balance portability and performance, weighing just 16.7 ounces while still delivering bright, sharp views. They feature fully coated optics, BAK4 prisms, and a wide 387-foot field of view. The oversized precision focus wheel makes quick adjustments easy, while multi-stop twist-up eye cups work well for both glasses wearers and non-glasses wearers. Built for the outdoors, they're IPX7 waterproof, fog-proof, and protected by a rugged, non-slip grip. They even support smartphone photography for capturing distant moments. For hikers, travelers, and birders who want strong performance in a lightweight design, the Knox Field Issue 8x32 is an excellent portable option. Number 5 brings us the Nikon Monarch M5 8x42. Nikon Monarch M5 binoculars feature extra-low dispersion ED glass lenses that minimize chromatic aberration and color fringing. Enjoy crystal-clear, high-resolution images with true-to-life color accuracy, ideal for birdwatching, wildlife observation, travel, and outdoor exploration. Dielectric high-reflective multi-layer prism coatings enhance light transmission for brighter, more natural colors. Whether at dawn, at dusk, or in shaded forests, these all-weather outdoor binoculars deliver vivid detail and consistent clarity in low-light or bright daylight conditions. The Monarch M5 8x42 outdoor binoculars offer the broadest field of view, ideal for tracking birds and wildlife, delivers steady, bright images with excellent depth and clarity, making it perfect for nature walks, birdwatching, and everyday outdoor adventures. It's at number 5 because ED glass minimizes chromatic aberration for crystal-clear images. At number 4, we've got the Vortex Diamondback HD 8x28, my pick for best compact binoculars. If you're hoping for an affordable option that is lightweight, compact, and of good quality, it's hard to do better than the Vortex Diamondback HD 8x28. Combine that with sturdy construction, a comfortable grip that is inherent in Vortex products, and a relatively low price, and you have the perfect option for backpacking birders on a budget. While testing in the field, we enjoyed the light and compact design, especially after using full-size binoculars. We liked that we could comfortably use these with one hand, which could benefit us in times when we need to scribble down notes or adjust something with the opposite hand. It's at number 4 because at just 14.7 ounces, they're lightweight and compact. Coming in at number 3 is the Celestron Nature DX 8x42. The image quality of the BAK4 glass is the best we've seen in the budget-conscious range, rivaling models that cost more than twice as much. The supple focus knobs and easy eye cup adjustments continue the list of beginner-friendly features. We enjoyed the 7.8-foot focus range, letting us view nearby butterflies and fascinating insects between far-off bird sightings. Its strong light capture impressed us, as shown by a high lux reading through the ocular lens. This allowed us to see intricate patterns even in dense forests, with the undersides of foliage staying bright, an improvement over typical dimming in lower-quality lenses. It's at number 3 because BAK4 glass image quality rivals models costing twice as much. At number 2, we have the Zeiss Victory SF10x42, my pick for best of the best at a premium price. The Zeiss Victory SF10x42 stands out as superior among the binoculars our team evaluated, offering a notably distinct improvement in clarity and performance compared to most others in our lineup. We were first apprehensive about the cost, but when comparing it to the next tier down in price, it was evident that the money went to premier lens technology. Constructed with a 10 times magnification, these excelled in our lab and field brightness testing. Measuring comfort can be ambiguous and subjective to the individual. To reduce these concerns, we broke down different components of the ergonomics of binoculars to get a more analytical result of what everyone will experience when out viewing. It seems remedial in the land of design concepts, but we found that most of the balance points in our selection teeter unfavorably, causing fatigue. It's at number 2 because of notable, distinct improvement in clarity and performance over most others. And finally, at number 1 is the Nikon Monarch M710x42. This is the best overall binocular. Placed among our top-ranked binoculars in the product test lineup, the Monarch M710x42 impresses as an exceptional performer across nearly all test metrics. This full-sized, general-purpose binocular stands out for its bright, crisp, and color-accurate viewing experience. It offers a reasonable weight of 25.5 ounces and more compact dimensions than other high-end 10x42 models. Furthermore, the M7 excels in ease of adjustment and boasts an impressive close focus range, making it a great tool for a wide range of distances you wish to view from. It's at number 1 because it delivers exceptional performance across nearly all test metrics. For most users wanting the best all-around binoculars, the Nikon Monarch M710x42 is simply unbeatable. Alright, that's the top 10 binoculars of 2026, tested and ranked. A good pair of binoculars can transform your outdoor experience, whether you're birdwatching, spotting wildlife, watching sports, or stargazing. If this video helped, drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews. Thanks for watching and enjoy the view.